After I finished law university in 2001, I became a judge's trainee in a district court in my hometown. It was a 3 years training program, and after completion of that program, I passed the bar exam in 2004. I must say that that was maybe the toughest thing that I did in my life. Maybe because that exam was very important, given the fact that without bar exam, you can't practice law. So with that exam, you can be a lawyer, you can be a solicitor attorney, you can be a judge, you can represent clients in front of the court, so it was very important from that aspect. The other thing was that exam was very serious because it consisted of 13 university subjects. And it had two parts. First, the candidate needs to submit criminal and civil law assignment. And after that, after successful submission, the candidate proceeds to the oral exam. And all 13 exams need to be passed in the same day. It made things pretty much hard. So I passed it in one day, passed all the exams. That was maybe, that marked the beginning of my career. Later on, when I passed the bar exam, I started to work in a basic court in my hometown as a judge's assistant. I worked in civil litigation department. I spent approximately 2 years there. And then, as it happens in life, I got an offer to start to work in a bank as a risk manager. I just jumped into that opportunity because I needed a change. I want to challenge myself always. I want to go out of my comfort zone to learn something new. And of course, the salary was very good. So that was that was the reason as well. I worked in a bank for 5 years. And I can say that it was life-changing experience for me because I got an opportunity to get familiar with banking law, company law, and it turned out that later when I became a judge, I had a lot of banking cases. So it was really easy peasy lemon squeezy for me to understand, the background of a case, to issues of a dispute. So it was a very significant experience for me. Again, I got another opportunity to start to work in a court of appeals as judge's advisor. And I worked there for 10 years in civil litigation department. And from there, I was elected as a judge. So I'd say that, being a judge is definitely a highlight of my legal career. And again, life is full of surprises, and opportunities, So I got another opportunity out of the blue to move abroad and to start a completely new career, to work in a construction consultancy business. And it wasn't an easy decision, but I just jumped into that opportunity because I realized, that opportunities are like fast trains, either you jump into it, and take responsibilities, for the consequences of the thing that you did, or you just don't do that, and stay where you are. So it's been an amazing journey so far, and I can't wait to see what's there for me in the future. But when we talk about professional experience, I would like to, again, a piece of advice for young people that they need to try to diversify their professional experience and portfolio as much as possible, because it will open some new windows and upgrade not just their CVs, but their mind and experience as well.